What's up guys? Larry Chen here. Welcome to another episode of Hoonigan Autofocus. I'm here doing my 11th photo workshop, but this one is different. This one's actually free and open to the public for the first time ever. We are here at my friend's shop, Bells & Bonds. They actually restored my Z, so I figured it'd be cool to kind of reveal it here at this event for these students to photograph. And also, my friends from Team Wildcards brought honestly the best cars from the Japanese classic car show for all of these students to photograph. More pictures! More pictures!
Okay, go!
We have a very eclectic mix of cool Japanese classic cars, including 510s, we got old school Skylines, we got a Kenmera, and we got two Hakoskas, and my buddy Jay's DR30. Of course, I have the combo breaker. I have the only Z out of all of these cars. We got an awesome Datsun 510 wagon. It's so cool. These guys just built these cars to such a high level. Definitely one of my favorite, the Kenmera from my buddy Bosso Pat here. And it definitely does burnouts. Cut to a clip of it doing a burnout. When I say some of the best cars from JCCS came here, I really mean it. Roy's really beautiful Hakoska won best Skyline of the show, and I cannot believe that he brought it here. He nearly got it stuck over here on the driveway because it's so low. It got high centered. My buddy Rafi, who actually owns Bells & Bonds, he actually brought out his Pantera. It's been kind of hiding for a long time, and he doesn't get to drive it that often, but I'll keep bugging him. We gotta go on a cruise when my Z's done. Now my Z's done. Now he has to bring that out and go on a cruise with me. One of the guys that actually works here, Shant, who helped out a lot with putting on this event, he built this really cool Volvo Amazon. It has a Ford V8 in it. Looking forward to seeing that back on the road. Other project that he's kind of working on, it's a Corvair, but it's a flat 6 turbocharged, and it's going to actually run on air suspension. Right now you can kind of see it's pretty tucked. It should be an interesting build when it's done.